Hello everyone, welcome to ACETV GOODTV. I'm going to show you some very basic but yet useful keyboard shortcuts on your Mac computer. Let's get started. Number 1. Command plus A. This shortcut will select the whole page of the text. Number 2. Command plus C, which is copy, and use shortcut number 3. Command plus V to paste. And shortcut number 4 is Command plus X. It copies the text and deleting that portion of the text at the same time. Number 5. Command plus Z. If you deleted something, but you could use this shortcut to get it back. Next, shortcut number 6. Command plus P, which will pulls down printing menu. You can configure the way you want for your print. Hold down Command and then press Tab. You will have shortcut number 7. It is very easy to navigate between your running applications. And then comes to shortcut number 8. Command plus Q. Close the app that you don't want. Shortcut number 9 is another very useful one. Command plus Delete. This will delete your selected documents to the bin. Shortcut number 10. Shift Command Delete. It will empty the bin for you. Next 3 shortcuts are all related to screenshots. Shortcut number 11. Shift plus Command plus 3. It's whole screen capture. Shortcut number 12. Shift plus Command plus 4. You can select where you want to capture the screen. If you want even more functions, you can use shortcut number 13. Shift plus Command plus 5. It will bring up a list on the bottom of the screen, and you can use whichever you want to. Next one is Control plus Eject. It gives you the option to restart, sleep, or shut down your computer. And finally, shortcut number 15. Control plus Command plus Eject. Your computer will restart immediately. That's all for today. Hope you find these shortcuts useful, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.